Hello everyone, welcome to Yogi, the math tutor. I am your narrator. Now I'm going to explain the problems in exercise 10.1. First question, a joker's cap in the form of a right circular cone whose base radius is 7 centimeter and height is 24 centimeter. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Here given radius is equal to 7 centimeter and height is equal to 24 centimeter, and joker cap is always in the shape of a cone. So and here given radius is equal to 7 centimeter and height of this cap is given 24 centimeter. So to find the uh, sheet of required to make 10 caps, so we need to find the total surface area of a cone. Why? Because cone is in the shape of a cap, so we need to find the LSA of a cone. So what are the formula to find the LSA of the cone? That is pi r l. So here we don't have slant height L, so first of all we need to find the slant height. So now you can consider the right angle triangle here. So this is the radius 7 centimeter and height is 24 centimeter. Now by using the Pythagoras theorem we can find the slant height L here. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? It states that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus side square. So here hypotenuse is slant height, base is equal to 7 centimeters, side is nothing but height of the right angle triangle, that is 24 centimeters square. So 7 sevens are 49 centimeters square plus 24 are 576 centimeters square. So if I am adding these both, we are getting answer 625 centimeters square. Therefore L is equal to square root of 625 centimeters square. So we are getting 25 centimeter. So the slant height of this cap is 25 centimeter. Now we need to find the lateral surface area, which is equal to pi RL. Now substitute the pi value 22 by 7 into radius is 7 centimeter and slant height is 25 centimeter. Now we can cancel 7 and 7. So we are getting answer 22 into 25, 550 centimeter. So it is a surface area of only one cap, but here we are going to find the surface area for the 10 caps. So we need to multiply the LSA with 510. Therefore area of the sheet required for 10 caps, which is equal to 10 into 550, which is equal to 5500 centimeters square. Next, second question. A sports company was ordered to prepare 100 paper cylinders for packing shuttlecocks. The required dimensions of the cylinder are 35 centimeters length or height and its radius is 7 centimeter. Find the required area for of thick paper sheet needed to make 100 cylinders. So here shuttlecock in the shape of packing shape of cylinder. So here cylinder radius given 7 centimeter and height given 35 centimeter. We need to find the area of thick paper sheet to make 100 cylinders. So first of all we need to find the area for the one cylinder. So here we need to find the total surface area. So to find the total surface area we are using the formula 2 pi r into r plus h. Here given radius is equal to 7 centimeter and height is equal to 35 centimeter, which is small h. Therefore, total surface area of the cylinder with lids at both ends, which is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. Now substitute values. 2 into pi value is 22/7 into radius is 7 centimeter into r is equal to 7 centimeters plus height is 35 centimeter. Now we can cancel 2 and 2. So we are getting 2 into 22, that is 44 into 7 plus 35, which is equal to 42 centimeter square, which is equal to 1848 centimeter square. Now we are going to find the area of thick paper sheet for 100 cylinders. Therefore, area of thin paper required for 100 cylinders, which is equal to 100 into 1848 centimeter square. So which is equal to 184,800 centimeter square. So